I've got my beautiful fur baby here, Mika. And like the concept is, what if the power does go out? If it does go out, what is going to happen to your animals? We need to be concerned about our animals at the same time because, if you got to prep, preppers get into some funny stuff when it's survival. And you got to think about dog food. I always have a can of dog food and I have a little bowl in the back of my vehicle and whatnot for Mika the Amazing. And so if the power goes out, what do animals really need? Well, they need to be secure. They need to have comfort. They need food too. Do you have enough food? Is the water still running? Yes. So that's really what it's about. So, in regards to their survival and their emergency preparedness, which is based on anxiety, warmth, so that they don't get sick and stuff, they've got places in their house. If your heat goes, you have blankets that they can go down. A lot of people actually don't give their animals anything to lay on. Maybe you want to put a blanket down for the first time. Maybe you want to continue that. Maybe there's like the animals live for about 10 to 15 to 20 years, okay? It's a brutal thing. Breaks my heart. These beautiful angels that we want them to stay a lot longer. But the fact of the matter is, later in life, we want creature comforts. Focus on the creature word. Hashtag creature comforts, maybe. And like Mika has gotten a lot of blankets and things like that. She's going to laugh in a second. She finds it funny. But she's got a bed in every room now. She's 11. In the last 2 years, I've been like buying her little things and stuff like that. I even brush her little teeth. But it's about her being comfortable too, because, as we get older as humans, we want to remember the people that we love and care about and give them special little things also. And, when the power goes out and they're cold, which they can get cold too, even though we think that they're indestructible because of whatever, and their paws have heat that comes out of it and they don't perspirate. But we need to think about them too. And they could just take a comforter, put it down on the floor, point to the area so that they can actually lay in it also while everyone's comfortable. If you've watched any of my other videos like this one up here, you can see some recommendations. It gets into like tents for your kids, just like old, movies of Scrooge where there's blankets over the side of the bed and stuff like that keeps you warm, based on your breath when the power is out. And there's tea light based heating stuff also that you can see in this video. Just click it up in the top right and stuff like that. But animals, our little fur babies, are important and they can get cold too, and we want to make sure that they're okay. So you can use all of our techniques, keep them close, make them comfortable. They are essentially a blanket, a warming blanket for us. You can put your dog or your cat in with your kids and stuff to lay in the same bed. Whether or not, these are cultural based things also. Maybe you think dogs are like squirrels and they should be outside all the time, but sometimes there's a time for them to come in and stuff, and it's a beautiful thing. So consider your animals, look after them in any power outage and whatnot, and treat our fur babies like they are. They're just little angels and they love us too. Be well, and I will see you in another video. Mika's so cute. Yes, you are. Mika's the cutest. Yeah. Oh, I love you so much.